Welcome to PartsHnC. In today's video, we'll show you how to safely replace a circuit breaker to keep your electrical system working properly and protect your home from overloads or short circuits. Start by turning off the main power at your breaker panel. This will cut electricity to the entire panel. Always use insulated gloves and a voltage tester for extra safety. Next, remove the panel cover with a screwdriver. Be cautious, as parts of the panel may still be live even with the main breaker off. Find the faulty breaker. It may be warm to the touch, discolored, or constantly tripping. Make sure you're replacing it with the same brand and amperage rating. Gently pull the breaker from its slot and disconnect the attached wire by loosening the screw terminal. Connect the same wire to your new breaker and tighten the screw. Then snap the breaker firmly into the panel slot. Carefully reattach the panel cover and tighten the screws. Make sure everything is secured before restoring power. Now switch the main breaker back on. Test the new circuit breaker by turning it on and ensuring the connected circuit is functioning correctly. Need circuit breaker replacements? Visit PartsHnC for quality electrical parts to keep your system running safely and efficiently.